know, you ever had a pest exhaust leak you just can't figure out? Got just the thing for you. Went to my local Amatrons and got me an exhaust leak checking kit. This thing's the high tech. Got you a little exhaust leak fluid refill, exhaust leak checker, your adaptation tube and apparatus, and a securing device. Let's come on back to the car. I'll show you how this bad boy works. First, you locate your tailpipe right here. Throw your adaptation piece on there, like so. Apply your securing device. This thing's high tech. I don't think you can get them in most stores. They're mostly sold in Japan. And you find someone to blow in your tube. You gonna do that, Jake? I'll film it.
I got you.
And all you got to do is check out your pipe and find out where the smoke's coming out. And that'll tell you where your leak's at. You blow in there. And you look at this here pipe. Oh, there you go. Got your leak right there. Man, this kit works good. Little guy. That's all it takes. Home testing for exhaust leaks.